Withdrawing money from your Shopify account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you have administrator access to perform financial transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payments. This section contains all the payment processing options and settings related to Store's transactions. Step 4. Choose Payouts. Within the Payments section, look for the Payouts option. Click on it to view your available funds and the payout schedule. This will show you the balance that can be withdrawn. Step 5. Initiate withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Always check your email for confirmation and updates regarding your transaction.